If you're in the Fabric and Power BI space, who the heck doesn't know Guy in the Cube? They've been putting out content for like well over a decade at this point in time. They taught all of us how to work with Power BI and the evolution into Fabric. They've got this new premium paid licensing plan that's out there that you can actually join and become a member of their platform. And the question is it worth it? Is it? Today in this video, we're going to dig deep into whether or not you should become a member of the Guy in the Cube. Let's get to it. All right, my name is Chris Wagner. This is Kratos BI, where we make videos on a regular basis talking about data and analytics, focus heavily on the Microsoft Fabric platform. So make sure you like to subscribe to all that good stuff. Leave a comment down below. It feeds the algorithm if you want more of this content. If you want early access, become a member for as little as $5 a month. You can get early access to all these videos. Okay, enough with that. Let's head over to it. All right. So as we kind of said, Guy in the Cube has created a data and analytics platform that's out there. It is only available to members. So it's something you can't get in and just go in and peruse. And you're going to ask yourself, like, hey, is it worth it? Should I be putting this money into it? Like, does that make sense? We're going to go through, I'm going to show you the whole, or the platform, all the things that are on it, the level of quality and the stuff that's going on there so that you can see it for yourself so you can make that decision. Because the decision isn't one to be made lightly. The pricing here, they started off, there was a $99 a year founding member, which, hey, I made it in. I am buying in. I am paying for this, so straight up. There is an early bird special that's still available. So for $149 a year, or like, $12 a month, I think is somewhere $12.50 a month or something like that, you can get access to it. That's available. Or so basically it's a little less than half price. You could do the $25 a month for monthly, or $250 for the annual package. Okay, so this is not an inexpensive ask to join this platform. So you're asking yourself, well, what do you get? So let's head in and let's show you what it looks like when you're logged in. Okay, so this is a portal. It's got a mobile app, so you can check and chat with people on the go. We've got 3 basic navigations down here. We've got our home, we've got learning, and we've got chat. So you can see that, I'm even talking with Patrick LeBlanc right now about coming on Fabric Friday. So stay tuned. Depending upon when you watch this, you might even seen him on the platform. Okay, but let's focus in on the homepage, because one of the biggest things that the platform offers is a sense of community. So there's announcements going on all of the time about new courses, new things that's going out. Like, look at this. We've got a new drop out there, DAX for the SQL developer by Patrick. He's got this out there. This is a brand new program. Let's take a look at this. Okay, free of charge because I am signed in. I'm going to go ahead and actually, let me shrink myself a little bit. I'm going to register now. I'm going to complete my registration, check out. I'm going to get registered for this program. I'll jump to that course and see what it's like. Okay, if we go into the course, we can see that it's got, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different lessons. Lessons vary from about 20 minutes to 30 minutes in length. So this is about a 2-hour course or so to get into this, to learn more about it. And at the end of this, you end up getting like a certification. So this is one that I've gotten. I finished the responsibility first architecture with Microsoft Fabric. I can even view the certificate that's right here. So how exciting that we've got this. We can open this up. Let me see here. How do I open this? I can download it. You get a certificate and everything with it. I apologize. I'm clicking on the wrong button here. So the courses are pretty good. The announcements are coming in. You can see who are the members out here. You can see what's new. Oh, look at this. Alex has got stuff. So it's a great social hub to connect with people. People are asking questions. You can go out and get answers from some of the best and brightest people out there. There are all sorts of conversations that are going on. They even have hangouts where people are talking and doing stuff, as well as events are coming. There are none on track as of yet. There is an entire welcome section here about how people can get interacting with Fabric, find out what you need, all that good stuff, and a place to do introductions to the different people that have joined this. That is your homepage. The learning section has all of the courses that are currently available out on the site. So now it is limited. You do see on the side here new courses that are out there, as well as ones that you've completed. So I have completed the Responsibility First Architecture. There's Power BI and Fabric licensing. Holy cow. That is one I want to get registered for as well. Staying up to date with Microsoft licensing, I'll be honest with you. I say it is like the Babel fish in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. The second anyone understands how licensing works with Microsoft Fabric or with Microsoft, they will immediately change it. It's a reflective action. All right. But overall, these are the components that are available inside of the Guy in the Cube platform. Honestly, I think there's a lot out there. It's great to see Patrick and Alex and Morgan is out there building out new stuff, adding content out here on a regular basis. To me, I think this is a very worthy platform and something that's worth the investment. But what do you think? Are you a member of Guy in the Cube? Have you signed up? Have you subscribed? If so, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't, I mean, this is a great place for a relatively low amount of money to get a whole bunch of education, get several certifications in tools, tools that people use on a regular basis, created by people who use it on a regular basis for the actual working person. So I'm a huge fan of it. I think it's great. I 100% think it is worth your money, and I'm out there supporting this stuff. So I do have great news. If you use Kratos BI at checkout, you'll save 0% over at Guy in the Cube. So do make sure you put that into your chat. Thank you as always. Make sure you smash that like button. Leave a comment if you have questions. Otherwise, have the best day ever. Peace. All right.
Baker Tilly Digital
and all of these things are very complex and difficult, and you might feel like there's a world of changes that are going on inside your organization. Well, don't worry, we can help you out. Head over to bakertilly.com/digital. Click on the little I need more information, I need help link right at the top. Fill it out.